Welcome to this quick tutorial on installing Postgres and getting your user account or even the root account started. If that's what you came to do, you're in the right place. I'm using git bash as my terminal. I have services open for a particular reason to restart Postgres service. In a moment, you'll see why we're going to restart. And on the bottom right hand corner is my pghba config file. We'll go into that in a little bit. So to install, we're going to install Postgres from its website, which has a number of different systems to install from. If you have Linux, go ahead and check the documentation for this. I have Windows. Go to download the installer and download the installer of your choice. Once that's installed, you can open up your terminal and type in psql/version to get the version number, which mine is 16. Now let's log into Postgres under my account. We receive an error after logging into my account, Kyle's. Daddy's a pseudonym, so don't get it mixed up. We have no HBA config entry for this host. I will be going more into the HBA config into the next video, but for now, we're going to find this HBA config in this PC, program files, Postgres, number 16 as the version or whichever version you are holding, and the data folder. If you scroll down, you'll see pghba listed, which will open up your HBA config file. Let's scroll all the way down. And quickly, I'm going to go over this in the next video, but quickly go find your IPv6 local connections. And you can add this anywhere. This is just for keeping it bulleted in order because this is a bash file. So everything that's commented out will not get executed. Copy Postgres. And we're going to change Postgres to the user account we are intending to use. In my case is Kyle's. I want to either trust it like Postgres or give me a password. Currently I have a password configured. If you don't, I would configure one once you're in as root. But for now, I'm going to put it as MD5 and I'll save the changes. Okay, now I have to restart Postgres. Once restart has finished and we're back up, we can test our account, PSQL. Password comes up and I'm good to authenticate. Now that that's complete, you are in your user account. If you want to go to Postgres account or the root, just say psql/uflag and the account name of Postgres. You're logged in automatically. If you wanted to put in an authentication protocol for your Postgres, then I recommend making a password by saying alter role Postgres with password pw123. It's altered. I can quit. I'm going to give myself a scram authentication method, save the file, and let's restart Postgres. We're going to say psql u and Postgres. Now we have to put in my password. And we are logged in. So this is just a quick little way how to take control of your Postgres experience, especially starting out, because it can be a little confusing not knowing that your own account isn't configured for a login. And if you stay tuned for the next video, you'll see how we can dive deeper into our connections. If this video helped you out on starting with Postgres, please give me a like button and continue watching.